In this video, I want to show you what to do in case you get no sound out of your iPhone 17. There's many different tricks you can try, so let's start with the easiest of them and then I'll show you other ones. So what I suggest is that you do a force restart. This will not delete anything, it will simply shut down your phone and power it back on. To do a force restart, you need to press volume up, volume down, and press the power button. Okay, keep it pressed until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. Even if you see this screen, don't move, stay like that, and the Apple logo should appear at any moment. Here we go. Now I simply have to release my finger from the button and the phone will restart. After doing this, go ahead and test the speakers of your iPhone. If you're still having issues after doing this very simple trick, what I suggest is that you check and see if there's any Bluetooth device that is currently connected to your iPhone so that the audio comes out of so that the audio is redirected to that Bluetooth device. To do that, simply go on your settings app, press on it, select Bluetooth, and now turn off Bluetooth. Go back and test to see if the sound is actually coming out of your iPhone. If it is, it simply meant that the other device is connecting to your iPhone and it's stealing the audio. That's the only issue. And now finally, the last trick, if you're still not working, is actually to do the reverse of what I just said previously. So you'll need to connect a pair of headphones or maybe even a Bluetooth speaker to your iPhone. And if there is sound coming out, let's say, of your Bluetooth speakers, but every time you disconnect from it, the sound is not coming out of the iPhone, it means that the problem is the actual speakers of your iPhone. So to do that, you simply have to put your Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones in pairing mode, go into the settings, turn on Bluetooth, they should appear over here, tap on them, connect yourself, and test them out. And if the sound is coming out of that device but not out of your iPhone when you disconnect that device, it simply means that it needs to be repaired. And of course you can go to Apple, but there's many independent shops around that can do the same job for much less. Another thing you can try is to take a toothbrush or this kind of a brush, I don't know how you call it, and simply gently go around the speaker grill down on your phone over here where the charging port is and brush away any dust, any gunk that may be trapped over here, because over time these holes fill up with a lot of dust and debris. So simply brush and clean them up. Sometimes this is as simple as it is. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if one of these tricks work, and I'll see you in the next one.